Box marches. The high box marches is a good foundational exercise for developing ground reaction forces. Stand in front of a box or platform. Place one foot on the edge of the box. Jump and land with the opposite foot on edge of the box and the other foot on the floor. Immediately repeat. The gastrocnemius fibers contract almost isometrically, while the fascial collagenous elements lengthen and shorten like an elastic yo-yo spring. The speed of the stretch-shortening cycle is fast. The movement in the hip and knee joint is minimal. The glutes and quads maintain stiffness and minimize the dissipation of kinetic energy.